Hi there, thanks for joining me today. I'm Anna from Astral Hygiene and today I'm going to be making a video to go alongside this week's blog, which is about a buyer's guide to the correct hand towels. So I often have conversations with customers who are very experienced in, procuring hand towels, etc. And lots of them say, oh well, your hand towels are more expensive than these hand towels. But what they're not taking account of is the ply of the hand towel, how many hand towels are in a case, the sheet size of the hand towel. So all of these things really do matter. And also the fold and where your hand towels are going to be situated, what kind of audience is going to be using your hand towels. So all of these things I take into account when I recommend hand towels to a customer. So today I thought it would be really quite useful to create a blog, which I have done, and it's on our website, and this video will be kind of dropped in beside it, and then it'll be circulated to anybody who's on our distribution list. Anybody who wants to be on our distribution list, just drop us an email to sales@astralhygiene.co.uk and we'll add you, and you'll get a weekly email from us with a video starring yours truly, with some kind of really useful information that I share in these videos. So today we're going to be talking about hand towels. So let's talk about the kinds of things that you should be thinking about. So what kind of audience? If you're in a butcher shop and you're using hand towels all day long, they're not really staying on the surface of your hand. It doesn't really matter about the kind of quality of experience that you're getting from the hand towel. I would recommend that you use a one-ply blue hand towel like these. These particular ones are interfolded, so let's talk about fold. So fold is important because they're the way that they come out. So these come out like these. So it's basically turn it upside down. So basically another